Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. So I made a big oopsies. Yesterday I did not realize that my audio was not recording. So I recorded all of this video and there was no audio. So that was great. So we're going to basically voice over what I did because, I mean, all you gotta see is the after results of the face washing, cleanser, moisturizer, all that good stuff. So I'm doing a review and unboxing and kind of trying it out. The Alya skincare line. So they sent me all of the products in this really cute box. I'm personally loving how everything is baby pink in this. It's just so cute. So their brand is Australian based, which is amazing. I'm actually part Australian. Shout out to that part of me. Yeah, everything's vegan, cruelty free, everything that you would want in a skincare. I actually have very sensitive skin. I have an autoimmune disease, which is called psoriasis. And basically my skin was really red and there's dots all over my face for like a year of my life and I could not figure out why, and then I went to the doctor and they were like, this is what you have, and I was like, oh my god, that makes so much sense. So for the most part I have to be careful with what I put on my face, but I actually did already use this product line and I did show obviously what it looked like, and I didn't have any flare-ups or anything. There was no redness or dots that showed up. Usually if I use something that doesn't agree with my skin, the next morning I wake up and there's just dots everywhere. We're good. It's looking good. So let's kind of go through what they sent me. All of these items you can find on their website, which I will link down below. So let's start off with the face cleanser. So this is the foaming micellar cleanser. I really like how it foams. I don't know, I'm just a fan of foaming skincare. So it's infused with witch hazel and watermelon seed oil. Watermelon is my favorite fruit, so there you go. This was pretty nice and sudsy on my face. I liked how it smelled. It wasn't too strong. It wasn't like overpowering or anything like that. I could feel it really getting all of those dirts off my face when I was scrubbing, and the bubbliness didn't go away, which sometimes foaming cleansers, you pump them and then they just turn basically to water. So it was a really good deep cleanse. So this is something that you can use every day and it rejuvenizes and hydrates your skin. I kind of washed my face for like 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds, scrubbed every area on my face, and then I cleaned it off and it was feeling good. We were feeling fresh. And then I just kind of was winging it. Like I was just kind of going, I don't know if this was the right order of what I should have put on my face, but this is something I would usually do in the order that I would do it, you know? The next thing I used was the Pomegranate Exfoliator facial scrub. So this is for all skin types, so I was pretty excited. I was like, okay, that probably includes me, which it did. It did not make my skin flare up or anything, which was great. That's something I usually look for myself with my skin. So it uses pomegranate seeds to deeply exfoliate your skin. Seed powder, actually, not actual seed. It wasn't too harsh. It wasn't like I was doing like sandpaper on my face. It was just kind of gently taking all the crap off my face. When I finished, my skin felt really smooth, like a baby's butt. That was really nice. I felt like I got all those dead cells off of it, which was great. So yeah, I just kind of scrubbed for like, not scrubbed, but circled this stuff on my face for like 30 seconds and it really did the trick. So that was really easy to use. It also has, I think all of these products kind of have the similar scent. It's not too overbearing. I think the clay mask is the one that has the most scent to it, and the vitamin C serum really didn't smell like anything, which I'm not surprised because it's a serum. I don't know why they would make that smell like anything. So the next thing I tried was the pink clay mask. I've actually tried this before and I've left it on for way too long and I put it all over my face, and since my skin is so sensitive, I was like, okay, that was totally my bad. I definitely should have just put it in my T-zone, which is what I did in this video. So this detoxifies and brightens up your skin. So that's great. And I put it all in my T-zone. I kind of look like a little cow in this video, the way that the weight was on my nose. And then I just made a little heart on my forehead because why not? So I let this sit there for like 5-7 minutes until it was dry and I could see all of the crap coming out of my skin. That's how long I left it on there. I didn't want it to start burning or anything, which it didn't. It was just kind of doing its job, you know? And then I just lightly washed it off with the pink little face cloth that they gave me. That was so cute. And my nose was looking fabulous. I actually felt like a pimple coming on, and it's definitely gone now. Like, it went back in there. Or maybe it came out, I don't know. So that was a great feeling. And then I don't know if I was supposed to put the serum on first or the moisturizer, but I just went moisturizer first. Why not? So this is the Australian Native Berries Moisturizer. It has macadamia oil, and it hydrates and restores, and it will replenish your skin. So warning, this stuff comes out really quickly. I blobbed like a whole thing on my hand, and I was like, oh my god. So I put like some on my arms and my legs. Definitely you just need like kind of a thin layer because it's really like thick, and you have to really like get it into your skin, but once it's in there it really soaks in. And so it also says for all skin types. Once again, did not cause me to flare up or get any dots, so that was great. And they do recommend you use it after the pink clay mask, so I did get that right. That was my good. Awesome. So yeah, this one smells really good too. It smells like a little bit like strawberries, but it's not too strong. Definitely gonna be using that in the future. And then last but not least, we have the Vitamin C Supercharged Serum. So this will boost your skin with a blend of kakadu, plum, desert lime, finger lime, caviar, and lily pilly. And it has hyaluronic acid in it. So this is also made in Australia. All of this was. I know that vitamin C is very important in your skin from learning in my anatomy class. It actually was something that was made up in your skin, or there was something to do with it in your skin. I can't remember what it was. So off the top of my head, clearly I need to study more, even though I already studied my butt off. So this stuff is really light. I just kind of did one pump and put it all over my face. And this is something I'm excited to continue using. Because vitamin C, we all love oranges. Why not have it on your skin? Really infuses it and makes your skin feel great. So this was my skin right after I did everything on my face. I waited a little bit to see if it would flare up at all, but it didn't. It was just like a tiny bit red, but that usually happens. I go to facials. I got one facial in my life and my face was like bright red after, and they were concerned, and I was like, it's fine, like I feel great, my skin is good. So yeah, this really did the trick. I was feeling it, I was loving it. I'm excited to be trying these products more. So here is my skin the next day. Looks pretty good. I just got some freckles showing, and I'm wearing absolutely no makeup right now, and I think it looks pretty good. Feels really soft. Has my usual slight roughness, but that's just my skin. I have a little bit of redness here, but I usually do anyways. That's just the way my skin is. But yeah, I really like it. I hope you found this video helpful, maybe a little bit entertaining. You never know. So that was my full review and try of these skincare products. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a follow on Instagram, janellefaithill. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.